Most engineers would declare this a total loss, a relic of engineering completely seized by nature. The mission to resurrect a machine that has been consumed by the wild. This is a masterclass in resourceful engineering. The initial assessment begins. The first step is not recovery, but excavation. She methodically clears debris from the chassis. This isn't just cleaning, it's a forensic analysis, exposing hidden corrosion and stress fractures. This is a battle of pure physics, leverage and force against years of static friction. The journey back to the workshop is a testament to her persistence. A long road ahead. Back at the base, a new phase begins. A detailed inspection of the powertrain and running gear. Nearby, another common rural challenge. A failed vehicle requiring cooperative effort. Finally, the tractor reaches its temporary home. A concrete pad that will serve as an operating theater. This is more than cleaning, it's non-destructive stripping of corrosive elements like soil and acidic organic matter. The transformation is immediate. Years of neglect are literally washed away. This reveals the machine's true skin, allowing for a more accurate damage assessment. The process is methodical, patient. A deep clean is the foundation of any successful restoration. Now, replenishing the fluids, she introduces clean water into the cooling system. The next stage, diagnosing the complex systems. She begins with the lifeblood of the engine, the coolant. A deep dive into the engine bay. She's looking for obvious signs of mechanical failure. Cleanliness allows her to spot fluid leaks or hairline cracks in the engine block. The state of the battery and its connections will determine if the engine can even be cranked. She removes the old, debris-filled element. This simple act is vital for combustion efficiency. The cleaned housing is prepared for the installation of the new filter. A perfect fit, the engine can now breathe properly, a crucial step towards ignition. The narrative shifts, but the theme is the same. Resourcefulness in the face of mechanical failure. The physics of the problem are clear. The wheels have lost all traction in the saturated soil. Is it a traction issue, or has the powertrain itself suffered a catastrophic failure? With no easy solution, she resorts to disassembling part of the vehicle on site. If the machine cannot be moved whole, it will be moved in pieces. A pragmatic solution. Her journey back is a symbol of her resolve. The challenge is not an obstacle, but a process. We now jump to another restoration project, focusing on the fine mechanics of a motorcycle. Her focus is intense as she works on the brake caliper, a component where failure is not an option. Reassembly of the front wheel. Proper alignment is critical for stability and safety. Now the bodywork. She carefully removes cosmetic panels to gain access to the frame and engine. Once again, the high-pressure washer is deployed. Decontamination is always the first step. The machine is progressively stripped of its filth, revealing the raw engineering beneath. She prepares the power washer, adjusting the pressure to avoid damaging sensitive components. A close-up on the carburetor, the heart of the fuel system, where tiny blockages can cripple the engine. Each screw and bolt is removed with precision. This is meticulous, patient work. Further disassembly of the body panels, requiring a delicate touch. She is observed by the next generation, passing on knowledge through action. Removal of the fuel tank, a dangerous step that requires extreme care to prevent ignition. The reassembly begins. She tests the ergonomics and positioning before final torquing. Returning to the motorcycle, she now works on the instrument cluster, a delicate electrical task. She carefully separates the damaged plastic, a process that requires a surgeon's touch to avoid more cracks. Back to another project, this time a blue motorcycle. The core principles of engineering problem-solving remain. And we find ourselves back where we started, a red tractor stuck fast in the unforgiving mud. Her first action is to clear the debris, improving her access and evaluating the ground conditions. She exerts immense force, attempting to break the machine free from the suction of the mud. Recognizing she can't do it alone, an assistant arrives. Teamwork is essential in engineering. A moment of triumph. The machine is free, and she takes a well-deserved moment of relief. Mechanical assistance arrives, using one machine. To rescue another is a common sight in these environments. She begins the careful process of wiping down components, assessing the machine she has just saved. The attached trailer is also given a thorough cleaning. Every piece of equipment is maintained. The final shot, a machine resurrected, clean and proud, a testament to her incredible skill and spirit. The layer of caked-on mud is thick, requiring significant water pressure to dislodge. A close-up on the wheel shows the effectiveness of the high-pressure spray cutting through the grime. She directs the powerful jet into the undercarriage, a critical area where corrosion can hide. With the cleaning done, she attempts to start the engine. This is the first major diagnostic test. Her next step is to investigate the electrical system, a common culprit in engine start failures. She has identified a faulty component and removes it. This requires precision and strength. A final check of her work. Confidence in her skill is paramount before the next test. A meticulous final inspection of the battery terminals. A loose connection here could undo all her work. Ignition, the engine roars to life. A triumphant moment of success born from expertise. She drives the fully functional machine. A look of pride and satisfaction on her face. The job is complete. Another piece of vital machinery is returned to service through her singular talent. She contemplates the scope of the project. Planning the sequence of restoration is a key engineering skill. The tractor is nearly swallowed by the forest. She uses a hand tool to begin the excavation. She focuses on the operator's area, clearing away years of accumulated natural debris. She steps back, surveying her progress and planning the next phase of the recovery. The scale of the challenge is immense. The tractor is not just stuck, it's partially buried. She puts her entire body into the effort, trying to rock the immense weight of the machine. The dense jungle environment presents a significant logistical challenge for the recovery. She tries again, a singular figure, pitting her strength against the dead weight of the machine. A close-up of the engine shows the severity of the mud and clay incrustation. A tow rope is attached. Mechanical assistance is the only viable option. She expertly secures the tow line, ensuring a safe and effective anchor point. Back in the yard, the familiar ritual begins. The high-pressure wash restores visibility and dignity. The front of the tractor is blasted clean, revealing the bright red paint beneath the grime. The transformation is remarkable. Her hard work pays dividends in real time. Description error in source. This segment will resume with the next available data. The work is never done. Here, she tackles a Yanmar YM1510 model, starting with a deep clean. She examines the engine compartment closely, the water having revealed the true condition of the parts. A view of the rear shows the power takeoff PTO system, a critical interface for farm implements. Using a rag, she wipes down engine components, a crucial step before performing delicate repairs. With assistance, she fully opens the engine cowling, gaining complete access to the powertrain. Her intense focus is palpable as she inspects the intricate systems deep within the machine. Adjustments are being made, perhaps to the fuel lines or electrical wiring. The removed part is washed in a solvent bath, a standard procedure for cleaning delicate engine parts. This close-up shows the meticulous care she takes, ensuring every surface is perfectly clean. She inspects the fuel filter, a common source of performance issues in diesel engines. She moves to the undercarriage, a difficult-to-access area that requires working in tight confines. Here we see the battery and main wiring harness, the electrical heart of the tractor. With the repairs seemingly complete, she performs a final visual inspection. A look of quiet satisfaction. The machine is ready. She has done her job. Success! She drives the repaired tractor away, confident and in control. Her first inspection reveals the difficulty. The ground is saturated and her own mobility is limited. She resorts to manual labor, digging away mud from the tires, to create a path with more traction. Another attempt using pure physical force. Her determination is unwavering. Ultimately, a tow is required. A small truck provides the necessary pulling force. She steers the tractor during the tow, a critical role to prevent it from sliding off the path. The terrain is treacherous, requiring constant adjustments and communication between drivers. Freed from the forest, she dismounts. The tractor is covered in evidence of its ordeal, and so the cleaning process begins once more. A gentle stream of water starts to wash away the mud. Using a cloth, she meticulously wipes down each surface after rinsing it. The combination of water and manual wiping is highly effective. She takes great care around the engine, using less pressure to avoid forcing water into sensitive electronics. Now she dries the machine, preventing water spots and allowing for a clear final inspection. The machine is looking dramatically better, a direct result of her painstaking effort. The final shot, a clean, proud machine, and the technician satisfied with a job well done. She begins the decontamination process on the wheel assembly, a task she has performed countless times. She pauses, surveying the entire machine and planning her diagnostic approach. With the cleaning complete, she proceeds to the next logical step: mechanical and electrical repair. A close-up of the rear axle and PTO reveals the robust, heavy-duty engineering of the machine. She begins by inspecting the air intake system, removing the housing for the air filter. An attempt to start the engine fails. This confirms the problem is not simple. She uses a multimeter or a test light to check for faults in the engine's electrical system. Her diagnostics continue, tracing the problem from the power source to the engine components. She removes the cover of a component, possibly the fuse box or a relay. The air filter itself is disassembled and cleaned. Restoring airflow is a fundamental step. Every part of the filter housing is meticulously cleansed of dust and debris. With the filter clean, she begins reassembly, ensuring a tight seal to protect the engine. The housing is carefully put back into place, completing the air intake service. She uses a wrench to tighten a bolt on the engine, likely securing a newly replaced part. She continues her work on the engine, her focus absolute, her movements precise. Another component is reinstalled, bringing the machine one step closer to operation. The final piece is fitted, the culmination of a long and complex repair process. A very special thank you to the owner of the YouTube channel, @Hathalthi, for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.